So I have to ask. OIP or All American?
Well, for me, it's simple. When I was a student here, All American didn't exist. It was only OIP.
Oh.
And for me, that's remained the same. It's only OIP. I go to OIP. It's my favorite. I've tried others, but I still think it's the best one. But I think, part of that is that's what I grew up on here. When I was a student here, OIP was where you went to get pizza, where you went to get subs. Love their bread. Love everything about OIP. But I hear very good things about other places. But for me, the answer is OIP. Downtown OIP. But here is All American. We just passed OIP.
In case you guys are All American files.
is a great place. They do wonderful community support, as do all of these businesses. But the downtown is an interesting combination, and I say the sort of the entrepreneurial, quirky. There's not a lot of downtowns, I think, in America that have a place where you can get your headstone, a pizza, and practice karate all in the same block.
Wow,
right?
yeah, that has to be some kind of record.
It's kind of an interesting combination, and again, I think it speaks a little bit to the entrepreneurial spirit and the fact that people will do lots of neat things to succeed. The borough office is here. Interesting fact about the borough is that we're one of the few boroughs in the state of Pennsylvania that do have an LGBTQ plus anti-discrimination policy.
Damn.
Which puts us in a unique spot, which is really
cool.
Wildflower Cafe that we just passed. Another place where you can eat. And then Stonetown Gallery.
Of course, we love this place. Stonetown is just beautiful.
So and again, it's kind of neat, right? It's a combination of a restaurant and an art gallery. Again, bringing together different things that will attract people, and that's what a lot of our small businesses have to do to be successful. If you're looking for a kayak or a bike, the canoes in the back, if you're looking for those, you can get those at the Outfitters. We are the county seat, so we have the courthouse here, which also then gives us attorneys in town. So for students who are interested in pre-law and other programs, law-related, criminal justice, you've got the courthouse here, and many of the attorneys in town are Juniata alums and provide opportunities for our students to do things, internship kinds of opportunities, experiential learning. The Episcopal Church, again, one of our many churches here in town. We're going to take a little bit of a twist here.
Okay.
On this road is something called Detweiler Field. It was a gift of the Detweiler family to the community. It's where a lot of the sporting events that I mentioned that the community center manages are hosted at this facility. But it's available to anyone in the community to come, hang out, play. There's a walking track around it. There's a picnic area here. But it's another example of people, the generosity of the people of this community, and how they give back.
So we're going next to the best kept secret.
Not the best, but a really good one.
Okay, a pretty good kept
if
secret.
you want to hike, if you want a beautiful walk in the woods that few people take advantage of, that's where we're going to go. The community pool, baseball fields. We'll just take a walk.
Sure, let's go. Like, this place is like straight out of a movie. Like, it's so beautiful.
get away pretty easily. Very famous, if you're into cars, the Swigert Museum is filled with old vehicles.
Wait, what?
It's awesome. Again, little known fact. Subway, Taco Bell, McDonald's, Wendy's. So you got a lot of fast food options in here. And here is the Meadows, famous ice cream. And they also now have a donut shop attached. So you can get donuts now at Meadows Ice Cream. But they were open since 1897. That's where I used to get my hair cut.
Wow.
So that was
1897.
Oh,
that's a long time.
5 years,
ago.
yeah, when I had hair. Did you hear what he said?
That's the oldest barbershop in Pennsylvania.
Yes. That trail take you to the Peace Chapel.
Nice. Oh.
So there's an entire trail system up here on the mountain.
Wow. Blackwell Hill. Yeah, he covered a lot. Oh yeah.
All right, where am I taking you?
Sheets is good. we'll end the tour at Sheets.
You on the tour at Sheets?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh man. And this is it. This is our this is the iconic as our Sheets, and we're gonna go get a drink from Sheets to end the Huntingdon tour. Thank you.